Scammers will do whatever they can to show you that they're making money in Forex. But I want you to pay attention to these tips that I will share with you. Now, you have this icon here. This is MetaTrader 5. We're trading Volatility 75.1S, and you look at the margin here, it's not moving. And if you can tap this icon here, you'll be able to see the deposit and withdrawal. Some brokers, they don't offer that feature, but that's how you know it's a real account. And if you tap here also, you'll be able to see the name of the person and also the account, the server name. That's how you know it's a real account. And if you click history, you'll be able to see the deposit here with the address and the dates and all that, and how much money you've profited, deposited, and money that you actually withdraw. Now, if we tap here, let's change to demo account. This is my demo account under Deriv. Now, this is my demo account, and if I go here, you see that I took a trade of buys and sell. Now I can easily close the one that are losing and only post the winning trades, right? Which means you'll be able to see the winning trades and thinking that I'm making money while I'm not making money. That feature is not there, but some traders, they find a way to actually edit the I don't know how they edit, but they just edit, and then you'll be able to see this as like, but you cannot click it and show the real or demo account. You go to history, you'll be able to see that they're not showing you the history of what's happening, because they'll expose the buys and sell trades that they actually took. You go to trade, and they'll only show you the charts as to I've took a sell here to here, because they've just closed the ones that are losing. So be careful, right? And then another scam that we have is that some traders, they are exposed to platforms. Like in this case, if right now, this is not a scam platform, I just want to make an example that if I promise you that you will make money in 24 hours, just invest in me, just know that it's a scam. Nobody can actually trade on your behalf. No one can actually trade for you. Reason why it causes a conflict of interest, which means no one can make money for you except they can actually scam you. So be careful, right? Be careful. Don't fall for such scams that you invest and get money in 24 hours, in less than 24 hours. So that is a scam. Be careful of that, right? So this is a legit website. I can reload. Some of the scam is that they can edit the balance on the account, even if it's live or demo. They can edit the balance. This is demo balance that we are actually using, and this is a real account. They can edit, right? They cannot reload like this. So when you see the screenshot, the withdrawal, you think that that's a real. That's actually fake, right? I want you to know that not everything that shines is gold. So you can open a trading account with Blueberry. It's an account that it's a broker that we're using, and we have a YouTube channel where I share tutorials and also the legit link website. Because if right now you go there, someone is directing you to do this and that and that and that, most of the time you'll be losing money. So make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you get to our WhatsApp group, you join our WhatsApp group, free WhatsApp group, and also you can chat with me any way that you feel free to do that. So this is a demo account, and now I've just canceled the losing ones. You see the profitable one. Another scam, all right, is that if right now you are trying to trade the market, and this scam is actually okay, let's actually look at what's happening here. This is our account. We are able to log in. You see that we have logged in. It's a real account, no edits whatsoever. And you can go to history. You'll be able to see the money that we have deposited, and we can now trade with this money. It's a live money that we can use. I want you to know that if you really want to make money in Forex, subscribe to our YouTube channel, right? Learn the tutorials as to how to use the Bozza strategy, how to analyze this chart to know that it's time for you to sell, it's time for you to buy. I love you all. Stay blessed.